In agile development, the focus is always on delivering value to the end user. To do this effectively, it is crucial for teams to have a clear understanding of who their users are, what they need, and how they interact with the product. One powerful tool that helps teams maintain this user-centered focus is the concept of user story personas. These personas act as fictional, yet realistic representations of different types of users who will interact with a product or service. Though they are not real individuals, they are grounded in research and built from data gathered through interviews, surveys, analytics, and customer feedback. The purpose of creating user story personas is to humanize the user experience and help agile teams design with empathy and clarity. Each user story persona typically includes several important elements. These include a name, demographic information such as age and occupation, relevant background details, personal goals, motivations, challenges or pain points, and behavioral traits. Some personas may also include preferences related to devices or technology, as well as a quote that summarizes their mindset. By giving the persona a human identity and story, teams can better understand the context in which a user might use the product. For example, a persona named Ami might be a 20-year-old college student from Tokyo who is studying computer science. She prefers hands-on interactive learning, often studies in short bursts between classes, and becomes easily disengaged when content is too passive or long. Her frustration with long video lectures can guide the development of features that cater to her learning style. In Agile, user stories are typically written in a simple and consistent format. As a type of user, I want to do something so that I achieve some benefit. Integrating personas directly into this format makes the stories more tangible and relatable. Instead of writing a vague user story, a team might write, "As Amy, a busy college student, I want short interactive coding challenges so that I can stay focused and learn during breaks between classes." This approach helps development teams stay connected to the real users they are designing for and prioritize features that solve actual problems. The use of personas also improves communication and alignment within cross-functional teams. Designers, developers, testers, and product owners can all refer to the same set of personas during discussions, ensuring everyone shares a unified understanding of the target users. When evaluating new features or deciding between competing priorities, teams can ask questions like, which option would be more useful to Amy, or what would be most frustrating for this persona? This practice keeps the team grounded in user needs and helps avoid building features that may be technically impressive but irrelevant to users. Creating personas should not be based on guesswork or stereotypes. Instead, personas must be based on solid research. Teams often conduct user interviews, run surveys, analyze user behavior data, review customer support logs, and perform market analysis to create well-informed personas. Over time, these personas may be updated as new insights are gathered. In larger organizations, especially those using frameworks like SAFe or Scaled Agile Framework, persona libraries may be shared across multiple teams to ensure consistency in user understanding throughout the organization. The benefits of using user story personas are numerous. They foster user-centric thinking, promote empathy in design decisions, improve feature prioritization, and support stronger cross-team collaboration. Most importantly, they help agile teams remain true to the core goal of agile development, delivering continuous value to the end user. When every user story is anchored in a persona, development becomes more intentional, more aligned with real-world needs, and ultimately more impactful. In conclusion, user story personas are an essential component of effective agile practice. By bringing users to life in the form of relatable characters, they transform abstract requirements into meaningful stories. Teams that use personas thoughtfully and consistently are more likely to create products that not only function well but also resonate deeply with the people they are meant to serve.